Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sundays unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 51. Mannitol is the stored food in option A, Porphyra, option B, Fucus, option C, Gracilaria, or option D, Chera. Mannitol is the stored food in. The correct answer is option B, that is Fucus. Mannitol is the stored food in Phaeophyceae, that is the brown algae, and Fucus is an example of brown algae. Porphyra and Gracilaria are examples of red algae, and Chera is an example of green algae. Question number 100. In which of the following habitats does the diurnal temperature of the soil surface vary the most? Desert, grassland, shrubland, forest. Diurnal temperature variation means during the day the temperature is at the one extreme and during the night temperature is at the opposite extreme. The correct answer is option 1, deserts. During the day the temperature of the soil surface is very high, very hot, and during the night it becomes very cold. Question number 75. The ultimate source of energy for living being is? The correct answer is option A, that is sunlight. Question number 59. In which of the following condition will the population density increase? Increased natality, increased mortality, increased e-migration, or option D, none of these? The correct answer is option A, increased natality. So if natality is increased, more number of people are being born, more number of children are born, so the population density at that given point in that given population will increase. Increased mortality, more number of people are dying. So if more number of people die, then the population density decreases. Increased e-migration means more number of people are exiting. E for exit, E for immigration. More number of population people are moving out of that population. So the population density is going to decrease. So only option A is correct. Increased natality will result in increased population density. Question number 87. DNA is not present in ribosomes, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast. The correct answer is option 1, ribosomes. Question number 58. Nuclear envelope is derived from membrane of Golgi complex, microtubules, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. From where is the nuclear envelope derived? The correct answer is option 3, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 86. Which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? AIDS, trichomoniasis, encephalitis, or syphilis? Not a sexually transmitted disease. The correct answer is option 3, that is encephalitis is not a sexually transmitted disease. Question number 52. Which of the following enhances or induces fusion of protoplasts? Polyethylene glycol sodium nitrate, IAA kinetin, IAA and gibberellins, sodium chloride, potassium chloride. Induces fusion of protoplasts. Correct answer is option 1 is correct, that is polyethylene glycol. Question number 82. The transformation experiment in pneumococcus proves that DNA replicates itself, DNA is the genetic material, RNA is the genetic material, DNA is double-stranded. Transformation experiment in pneumococcus proves that. The correct answer is option B. It proves that the DNA is the genetic material. Question number 57. In DNA, when AGCT occurs, the association as per which of the following pairs is seen? A with G, C with T, A with T, G with C, A with C, G with T, all of these. The correct answer is option B. A always bonds with T and G occurs with C.
Question number 87. The nerve centers which control the body temperature and urge for eating are contained in. What is the location of the centers for control of body temperature and urge of eating? Hypothalamus, pons, cerebellum, thalamus. The correct answer is option A, hypothalamus. Question number 64. The most active phagocytic WBC cells are neutrophils and eosinophils, lymphocytes and macrophages, eosinophils and lymphocytes, neutrophils and monocytes. Most active phagocytic WBCs. The correct answer is option D, neutrophils and monocytes. Question number 94. Which one of the following is correct? Serum is blood plus fibrinogen. Lymph is plasma plus RBC plus WBC. Blood, plasma plus RBC plus WBC. Plasma equals blood minus lymphocytes. The correct answer is option C. Blood is equal to plasma plus WBCs plus RBCs. Question number 70. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of prostate gland, vas deferens, mammary gland or uterus. Hysterectomy, surgical removal of. The correct answer is option D, uterus. Question number 54. Given below are four statements A to D regarding human blood circulatory system. A. Arteries are thick-walled and they have narrow lumen as compared to veins. B. Angina is acute chest pain when the blood circulation to brain is reduced. C. The person with blood group AB can donate blood to any person with any blood group under the ABO system. Or D. Calcium ion plays very important role in blood clotting. Which of the two of above statements is correct? The correct answer is option 4, that is statement A and D are correct. Arteries are thick-walled and have narrow lumen as compared to veins. That's true. And calcium has a very important role in blood clotting. Angina is acute chest pain. True. But the blood circulation of heart is reduced and not brain. In option C, the universal donor is O. Right. Donor, blood group O is the universal donor and not AB. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.